Almost. Hey.
That's amazing.
Oh,
That's cool.
So this target practice is probably the lowest tech target practice I've ever experienced and had the opportunity to review. It is in fact absolutely batteryless except for the battery in here. So you can see that glint of copper, and that is in fact the bullet with the laser. And if I were to push that down, you can see that it extends out of the barrel. And when that hammer strikes, it will light that up like so. Just lights it up like a Christmas tree. Really darn cool. So let's go ahead and demonstrate this. Obviously, there is no magazine in there. Let's go ahead, slide it forward like so. Line it up. Here we go. On 3, ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh, looks like I was a little high. Now, obviously, as with every single laser system out there, you're gonna have to rack the slide every single time in order to engage the next round. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Fantastic, huh? Now, in order to get this out, simply rack the slide back, get a pen or a pencil, push it through the barrel downward, and it easily pops out. But it does actually stay put when you are racking it over and over and over again. There we go. Man, that just lights up so well. I can't believe there are no batteries in that whatsoever. Well done, well done.